This is what makes time travel possible. The Flux Capacitor.
Hey everyone, what's up? So this is the Flux Capacitor version 3, which is a replica of an actual Flux Capacitor which was in the Back to the Future movie. I prepared its version 1 few months ago. It had few through-hole components which were slide switch and the main MCU. I replaced them both with SMD components and prepared the version 3 to make assembly a little bit easier. I prepared its PCB in my OrCAD PCB suite and send it to PCBWay for samples. I choose white PCB solder mask with black silk screen. I've also added graphics on the top and the bottom layer of the PCB. The overall quality of the PCB is just great. After carefully inspecting the PCB, I started the assembly process, which included solder paste dispensing process, pick and place process, hot plate reflow process, and the overall assembly. Then after assembling this board, I programmed this with my ATtiny programmer which I made earlier. I've removed the programming pads from the PCB. I use this SOIC8 clip to hold the IC from its pin from the top side and then use my ATtiny programmer to burn the bootloader of the MCU and then flash the chip with its sketch. You can check out one of my previous video for this part. In the end, this was the result. To make this badge wearable, I designed this body in Fusion 360 and then 3D printed it on my Ender 3 with orange PLA. I used 4 M2 screws to add this badge onto its enclosure, and this was the overall result of this awesome build. But here's an important question. What does this badge do? Well, the answer here is simple. It does nothing. It's just a blinky board that blinks. It does not generate any kind of electricity like its counterpart, which was in the movie. Its counterpart was able to generate 21 gigawatts of energy, but this does not generate any, which was a minus point. But anyways, this was the overall result. Thanks PCBWay for supporting this project. You can check out PCBWay if you want great PCB service at a less cost. Thanks again and stay safe you guys.